I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. This is episode 102 on conveyances. It's actually part 2 in a 3-part series. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. Sometimes in a listing, you may see that the washer and dryer convey. This is simply the legal process of transferring ownership of personal property from the seller to the new owners. It's important to understand the difference between personal property and real property. Personal property is anything that isn't attached to the home. Yes, it can be a bit more complicated, but generally speaking, if it's connected to the house or the land, it's going to be considered real property. If it's not, then it's personal property. When you buy or sell a home, anything that is real property is considered part of the deal. A seller can offer a conveyance to sweeten the deal. The washer and the dryer are not considered real property. What is and what is not can get a little confusing, and it changes from state to state. In North Carolina, there's a great list inside of the listing agreement that is pretty clean and clear. There's a deeper dive on all of this on my YouTube page in a 3-part series called the 3 C's. Make sure you ask your agent if you have any questions, and if you don't have an agent, I know a guy who's pretty good at explaining things like a teacher. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. I'm also on most popular social media sites like Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.